Welcome to Photo Instructions. In this episode, we'll look at how to replace a drive wheel motor on a Husqvarna Automover 450X. It will look quite the same on other models. So let's get started. First of all, make sure the Automover is switched off. You find the switch on the underside at the back. Lift off the top cover. The cover is snapped on to ball studs. Just hold down the chassis and gently pull off the cover. It always fills up with grass clippings and other things under the cover. Make sure to remove it. Do not use water for this. Use a suitable brush and compressed air. Now we will remove the lid that covers the electronics in the chassis. Remove the screws all around. There is a rubber sealing strip in this groove. It's a good idea to replace it with a new one before reassembly. Snap off the wheel hubcap. Remove the nut in the center. It's a right-hand thread on both wheels. Unplug the wheel motor cable connector and loosen the clip that holds the cable. Remove the screws that holds the wheel motor. And remove the motor from the chassis. Fit a new motor in place and tighten the screws. Reconnect the cable connector and the cable clip. Now put the drive wheel and the chassis lid back on. Don't forget the new rubber sealing strip in the groove. So there we are. A new motor in place and you are good to go. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. If you want to see how to repair a broken wheel motor on a Husqvarna Automover, click on the link. If you liked this video or have questions about this repair, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.